Hello friends, welcome to this channel, and in today's video, I will show you and also tell you how you can install the X app or Twitter on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, write comments under this video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So let's get into this topic. And first of all, on your iPhone, you will need to find the App Store app and open it. Next, friends, you will need to go to the search section at the bottom, on the right side. After that, at the top, tap on the search bar and type X and search. In this way, friends, you will be taken to the X app. The old name of this application is Twitter. Click on it to open it up. And this is where you will have the install function. Click on this button and wait for this app to install on your iPhone. It will take a little bit of time, no more than a few minutes, maybe less, maybe it will take 30 seconds. It all depends on how good your internet and memory is on your phone. Once the download is complete, you can open the app either here from the App Store, or you can easily go to the work screen of your iPhone and find the application on the work screen. Go to it, and then you can sign up. That way, friends, you can easily install the X app or Twitter app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, give your likes, comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.